Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore what hypnosis truly is, beyond the myths and movie drama. First, let's bust a myth. Hypnosis is not mind control. It's not magic, and no one can make you cluck like a chicken unless you want to. Hypnosis is a natural, focused, and relaxed state of mind where you become more open to suggestions. It's like daydreaming or being engrossed in a movie. You're fully awake, just deeply focused. In fact, you experience hypnosis every day. Think about driving a familiar route and suddenly realizing you don't remember the last few turns. That's a hypnotic trance. Hypnosis is not sleep. You're actually more alert and aware during hypnosis than you are during sleep. In this state, your critical mind relaxes and your subconscious mind becomes active. That's where real change happens. So in short, hypnosis is a powerful tool to influence your mind for positive change, and everyone can be hypnotized.